Hi everyone, so welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the history of install apps on your Google Play Store. So if you are on an Android phone and you want to see the list of apps that you install in the past, you can just open your Google Play Store and then click on your photo at the top right corner. Click on the manage apps and device option, and in here go to the manage tab, and to see the history you can just click on the install box in here and then select not install. So not install here means that this list of apps is currently not installed on your phone, but you've already installed it in the past, but maybe you remove it on or uninstall it. And if you want to, for example, reinstall, you can just click on the apps and then click on install again. But if you want to remove it from your list, history list, you can just click on the box right here, then click on the trust icon at the top right corner, then click removed. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.